In this video, I will discuss the tools menu in Casper Media Playback. So I am starting Casper Series Server 2.1 and now CMP Casper Media Playback, short form of Casper Media Playback, CMP. Now Casper CG window screen consumer is here and Casper CG software Casper Media Playback is here. So first menu is tools, add screen, channel 1. Suppose you cross this screen consumer, now you can play the file but don't see the playing file. So now I will go to tools menu, add screen, channel 1. Now this is screen consumer. Second is add output. Casper Series server comes with no decklink output. Configuration file has no decklink output or Bluefish output. So in that case, when you are running that Casper Series server, then you will not get any output from the decklink or Bluefish card. In that case, you can click tools, add output, and you can get the fill or key signal is for getting the key supered to vision mixer properly, and fill signal is the full video. So you can configure anything to get your output from decklink or Bluefish card. Now remove output. From here you can remove the same thing which you have added earlier or in the by default in the config file. Play input. This is to play the input from the connected decklink card. Remove screen. You can remove this Casper CG screen consumer by crossing this or by clicking the remove screen button like this. I will add this screen consumer again. There is edit config file. You will need to edit config file to changing various things like edit config file. Here you can see media path, log path, template path, and other thing from where you want the decklink output, you want screen consumer or not, new tech IBG output or not. So much things are there in the screen Casper CG config file. You can edit the config file, like suppose you want to change the config 1080 I 5000, means you want to change the video mode. So file, save and close. So it is saved, but it will not get applied. So there is other menu for that. Tools, restart Casper CG server, means before after editing the config file and saving the file, you will need to restart Casper CG server. So from this menu you can restart Casper CG server like this. So you can see screen consumer 1080i 5000. So it is HD, full HD mode, and you can put this screen consumer here by clicking the in button, but it will not come here because screen consumer's text is screen consumer 1080i 5000. So you will have to select this screen consumer 1085 and then click the in button. Now it is here, and after restarting you will have to connect manually. Now restart with config file, means you are running with the default config file which is situated in the server folder like this. I am running this Casper CG server, so open file location, and this is the config file which you are running with. So if and this config file is configured for one channel and first declink output like this. Suppose we want to run Kaspersky with 2 channel or 3 channel. So what will you do? So I have made some configuration already, which is here Kaspersky configurations. In this folder you can get so many config files like 4 channel player or 4 channel recorder, 2 channel recorder, 2 channel player. So I have made already default sample config file for various work. So from this menu you can go tools, restart with config file, and it will take you to the server folder, and you go to Kaspersky configurations and suppose 2 channel recorder. So I am selecting this, and now the Kaspersky will shut down and it will open with a 2 channel recorder configuration file. Now we can click here to take input. Now it will not take input because it is a screen consumer 1 PAL. I will select again 1 PAL like this. So it is screen 2 channel recorder. I have made a sample application for this 4 channel recorder and trimmer. Now this is not required, this is not required because I have made 2 channel recorder, and this screen will come out from here, and I will paste here. I will click here to get in, and I will select the second screen consumer, and I will click here. So this will be 2 channel recorder. So I was telling you the use of this restart Kaspersky with config file. Now suppose I am coming next day and wanting to start the Kaspersky with 3 channel recorder like this. So I will go to restart Kaspersky config file and go to various configuration file to select of our choice. Now quit Kaspersky server. Quitting Kaspersky server can be done with a command like here. I will press Q and then enter. Now Kaspersky server will be disconnected. Now I will restart the Kaspersky server with this menu here and connect, and then go to see how Kaspersky can be shut down from here also, like this. So Kaspersky server quit. Now I will restart Kaspersky server, click this screen consumer and click in button so that it is embedded in our application. After restarting we have to connect again. Now other menu, tools, copy example template. When this client is installed with some example templates, like see so much templates are there. This is for example, and so many games client are there. For that I have included the client also with this client. When this client installs, it puts some file here. See Kaspersky in the CMP folder there are so many templates for games and other things, and some media files, example media files here, and my data, some data text file like this to store the sample data. Now when Kaspersky server is there, downloaded from internet and installed, the sample file does not, sample configuration file have a config that its media file is not C Kaspersky media, and not template file is not C Kaspersky. Its media file and template, this configuration is only this much media, means like this. Here is Kaspersky server file, and here is a media folder, and here is a template folder. So by default Kaspersky configuration sees media from this folder and template from this folder, but Casper Media Playback Client puts its template to not here. It puts template to C Casper CD media. Media file to media folder underscore media folder and template file to this folder like this. So if you want to use the media folder and template from here itself, you have to change the config file like this, or otherwise you will need to copy the template file and media file to your directory, like copy example template and copy example media. So when you press this copy example template and copy example media, the example media and templates will be copied to your file. And you will notice if you are using new Casper CG downloaded server, you will not find this template and this media running on your server. That is because there is no template or there is no media on your media or template folder. In that case, you simply press tools, copy media and copy example templates. Now Casper CG diagnose window. When you click this, there is a graphical window which shows the position of your Casper CG server. This is useful for diagnosis of why Casper CG hanging or why audio is not there, like and what are the things running in this Casper CG server. You can see from here. Next is clear type switch. Suppose some file is running and I am playing some template over there. It is clear, but I will show you that clear type switch plays good role here. Suppose I click this checkbox here and again stop and play the template, you will get a black window behind the template. In that case, you have to go to clear type switch and clear this checkbox and stop and then play. So by default your computer does not have that switch cleared, and when you play the flash template you will get black window. So I have included this external software to do the things easy. You can find the same thing from font setting. Adjust clear type text like this here. This is the thing which I have unchecked from the already made tools menu like this here. The same thing. Now PAL SD. Normally we use PAL SD and some people use some other channel also, and so from we are running mainly with two channel mode, PAL SD, and second channel is SD 1080 50i. So when you click this, you will get the channel mode like this. I am clicking this, so now you can see the channel mode has changed 1080 Li, and if I click again the PAL SD, it again changes to this like this. So other thing, you can change the channel mode from here also in AMCP module, like set mode. So much modes are there like this 1080p 5000. So it will be, and send, select and send. So see, you can see here 1080p 2500 I have. So when you click this window, I am telling other thing. When you change the PAL mode, means channel mode, this screen will not come here. So you will find difficulty when playing. You can play the files, but you cannot see the things here. So in that case you have to select this and select the channel, proper channel mode what you have done, and only then you can capture this window into here 1080i p 25. Now this, so I am again changing this PAL SD, and now one in, click this screen consumer and click the button in. Now other menu is new instance. When this instance is running, you can open some other instance to do some other things like this new instance. When you click this, you will get a dialog that Casper Media Playback is already running. In that case you click the OK. If you click cancel, another instance will not run, but if you click OK, another instance will run. So what is the use of another instance? Simple use like this is if you can click here and play, and from here if you click also to play something else on some other channel, some other layer like this, layer number 36 and layer number I will click I will select some higher layer, because in lower layer it can be hide. I will select 100 and click the play button, so you can see this. Play with update, you can see this. So multi instance of this client can be opened and operated. One other example I will show you that suppose somebody is operating games and Southeast Asian games. Suppose this is a game athletics track and somebody is showing start list like this, and with this if some other body can also operate, some other body can also operate and go to the same games menu, and in the same ground there may be two different games being operated. And so at the if Kaspersky server is only one and you are operating from laptop, so you will have to change this host address to the Kaspersky server host PC, and when you connect, the server will be connected from your laptop. So two laptops are operating from two different games stadium, and you can click this games. Suppose somebody is operating for athletic track, some other body can operate from field event also, like this. So when that game over, you can click from here also, or you can both give simultaneously two templates from two different clients, like earlier I showed. I will close this template. Now tools, exit application. This will exit the application like this. So now I will again start the CMP. So when this client opens, by default there is a program to contain the screen consumer. This is screen consumer in its window. Now other menu is different config file. I have given this different config file menu so that it can take you to the different config file, and you can study what you want: a 2-channel player, 2-channel recorder, 2-channel, 4-channel player, like this. Other menu is load last layout. Suppose you are working with a playlist menu, playlist and some scroll and breaking news and CG2. So you are working with 3 menu. So and you can save this layout. And if you close this all the three module, you can open all the module with lowest load last layout like this. Okay, now clear temp files and recycle bin. So from this menu you can clear the temporary files and recycle bin, so that sometimes PC gets slow with the temps files. Thank you for